Is your PS5 controller not turning on? Is your controller not charging? In this video, we will discuss a few ways to fix a PS5 controller that doesn't charge or connect, and have it working again in minutes. Fix number 1. Try using the USB port on the back of the PS5 console, instead of the front, or vice versa based on where you had your PS5 controller plugged in, as sometimes just changing the USB port you plugged into may get your PS5 controller charging again. Fix number 2. Clean the charging port. Over time, the charging port of the PS5 controller may get dirty and have debris stuck, so just simply blow into the port and see if that helps. Fix number 3. Replace the USB charging cable used to connect your PS5 controller to the PlayStation console. If you have an extra charging cable laying around, give that a go. If not, they're pretty cheap to grab off Amazon. Link in the description below. Fix number 4. Reset the PS5 controller. There's a small hole next to the Sony logo on the back of your PS5 controller. This is the reset button for your PS5 controller. Use a pin or toothpick to press and hold the reset button for at least 5 seconds. See if that helps get your controller get connected again. Fix number 5. Power cycle your PS5. Make sure you have your PS5 controller plugged into the PS5. And then power off your PS5 console. Ensure it's completely powered off, not just in rest mode. Now, unplug the power cable from the back of the PS5 console and wait 10 seconds. Now reseat the power cable and wait for the PS5 to turn back on, and try connecting the PS5 controller again. Fix number 6. Damaged USB port. It's possible the USB port on the top side of your PS5 controller is damaged and not allowing your PS5 controller to charge. Instead of paying for a brand new controller, you could grab a PS5 controller charging unit that charges your PS5 controller using the port on the bottom of your PS5 controller. It's fairly inexpensive and available on Amazon. Link in the description below. Fix number 7. If all the fixes mentioned in this video don't help your PS5 controller, firstly try to recall how long it's been since you've had this controller, because Sony offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty on the PS5 controller. But if it's been longer than a year, unfortunately the only option is to grab a new controller. However, this might be a time to buy yourself a premium build quality PS5 controller that will last you, the DualSense Edge. But, of course, if you're on a budget, just grab yourself another regular DualSense controller. All linked in the description below.